Welcome to our video on navigating job changes after I-140 approval. In this video, we'll guide you through the complexities of changing employers while holding an I-140 petition. This process requires careful consideration of various factors, particularly for those nearing the end of their H-1B status. Let's explore the key aspects that you need to know. In this video, we will cover several key topics. First, we will understand I-140 approval and portability. Next, we'll dive into H-1B transfers and how to extend H-1B beyond 6 years. We'll explore the influence of the new employer's PERM and I-140 requirements. Finally, we'll look at important recommendations and considerations before quizzing you to test your knowledge. Let's get started. Once your I-140 petition has been approved for more than 180 days, you can change employers without losing your priority date. This is an important benefit because it allows you to maintain your place in the green card queue, even if you change your job. Let's illustrate how this portability works. Now let's talk about H-1B transfers. If you decide to change your employer, the new employer must file an H-1B transfer petition on your behalf. Once the transfer is approved by USCIS, you can start working for the new employer. Moving on. Let's discuss extending H-1B beyond the typical 6-year limit. If your I-140 is approved, you can extend your H-1B status beyond the standard 6-year period. Such extensions are generally given for 3-year increments. This extension is particularly important for those who are close to their green card approval date, but whose current visa is expiring. Now for a quick quiz. Can a new employer file for an H-1B extension based on an old I-140 approval? Here are your options. 1. Yes, if the I-140 has been approved for over 180 days. 2. No, they must wait for a new I-140 approval. 3. Yes, but only if the old I-140 hasn't been revoked. You may pause the video now to think about the answer, and we will discuss it in the next section of the video. The correct answer is yes, if the I-140 has been approved for over 180 days. Because your original I-140 has been approved for over 180 days, you can use it to obtain an extension, even if your previous employer revokes it. The new employer can, therefore, file for the H-1B extension based on your existing approved I-140, not a new one. Let's discuss how a new employer's PERM and I-140 impact the process. Your new employer must initiate the PERM labor certification process, followed by a new I-140 petition. The timing of these filings is crucial, especially if you are nearing the end of your current H-1B validity. Getting the PERM and new I-140 in the correct order is vital to ensure a seamless transition. Here are some important tips to remember. Verify that your initial I-140 has been valid for at least 180 days before you change employers. Always consult an immigration attorney for specific guidance tailored to your situation. Be cautious about any significant changes in job duties, because they may impact your future green card eligibility. If there is a change, your employer might need to file a new PERM and I-140 to resolve any discrepancies. Let's try another quiz. What should you do if your job duties change significantly at the new employer? Here are your options. 1. File a new PERM, I-140. 2. Ignore the changes. 3. Request a job description waiver. Think about it, pause the video to consider your answer, and we'll discuss this next. The answer is to file a new PERM I-140. If your job duties change significantly at the new employer might need to file a new PERM/I-140 to rectify any discrepancies, especially in terms of green card eligibility. To wrap up, remember that you can change employers without losing your priority date as long as your I-140 has been approved for over 180 days. You can transition to a new job once your H-1B transfer is approved. Extending your stay beyond 6 years is possible with an approved I-140. Always pay careful attention to the timing and influence of job duty changes to avoid complications. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found the information useful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We would love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time. Please note, while this video offers a general guide, it is not legal advice. Always consult with a qualified immigration attorney to receive personalized recommendations based on your own unique situation.